हे एवरीवन गाइस, गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू। सबसे पहले आप लोग को गुड मॉर्निंग। मैं अभी सुबह का टाइम है और मैं यहाँ पर अभी उठी थी थोड़ी देर पहले। और उसके बाद देखो मैं पूरी फ्रेश हो गई हूँ। देखो यहाँ पर ना, यहाँ विलेज एरिया में आपसे पहले आपके आजू बाजू नाइबर्स उठेंगे। तो सबसे पहले मैं उठ गई और मैं बता दूँ, वो देखो पूरा मेरा भाई वो क्या कर रहा है। वो भी अभी उठा थोड़ी देर पहले, वो भी फ्रेश हो गया। ये देखो। तो चलो आज कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग करेंगे। सबसे पहले मैं पूछ लेती हूँ हो क्या रहा है, और मैं आज आपको कुछ सिखाने भी वाली हूँ। तो चलो सबसे पहले पूछते हैं कर क्या रही हैं। व्हाट आर यू डूइंग दीदी?
If you want to understand what I'm doing, just roll your camera and let's see what I'm doing. Look at this.
शी ऑलवेज गोज इनसाइड दिस। हमेशा इनको अगर आपको कहीं पे भी पाना है ना, रोज़ के पास ही पा जाओगे।
There is only one corner I like right now, और यहाँ पे मैं like literally I am obsessed with this thing. So I was just plucking some flowers, and we have a lot of things to show you guys also.
तो
Look at
देखते
the
हैं।
sunshine. It's so good.
हाँ, सुबह का टाइम है तो सनशाइन अच्छा ही दिखेगा हमारे यहाँ पर सुबह के टाइम। हाँ, अब गर्मी आ गई है तो हाउ विल द सन नॉट कम? सन तो आएगा ही। शी ऑलवेज कम्स हियर इन द फील्ड एरिया। सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक, व्हाट डू यू लाइक हियर?
By the way, it's not field area. It's like small. We have done this. And मतलब कि तो 2-3 साल से ये ऐसे रखा है ना, बहुत बढ़िया लगता है. So
हाँ।
what I was doing, I was plucking some flowers and she came with some questions. मुझे तो पता ही है कि हमेशा कोई ना कोई questions के साथ ही आती है.
आई हैव टू चेंज माई हैबिट। चलो, टुडे आई वॉन्ट टू आस्क, यू स्पीक अमेरिकन एक्सेंट बट कैसे बोलती हो ये?
I think I told you in the previous video if you guys watched it or not, but ठीक है, वापस बता देती हूँ कि it's like you have to learn. If you want to speak in American accent, learn some songs first.
अच्छा, सॉन्ग्स, बट आई डोंट नो अबाउट एनी सॉन्ग्स। टेल मी एनी
Okay.
सॉन्ग।
Like we have heard a lot of songs, उसमें से एक ये है, तो मैं कंटिन्यू करती हूँ इसको. देखो. Have you guys heard of Safari or not? Tell me in the comment section below. And why are you laughing? Don't laugh.
आई वॉन्ट टू हियर। मैं
Okay.
सुनना चाहती हूँ ये कैसा गाती हैं, कैसा गाती होंगी, इनके स्वर कैसे होंगे।
डेफिनेटली अगर तू ऐसे पूछेगी तो मेरा तो बेकार ही हो जाएगा ना गाना. सी, हाँ, इट्स लाइक दैट.
मैंने इतनी भी नहीं गंदी बद्दुआ दे दी, बता दो अब। सॉन्ग
देखो. So guys, if you want to sing this song, sing with me. It's
सनशाइन इज कमिंग
It's
सो
Safari.
मच।
It's Safari. And let's see. तो पहले लाइन्स बताती हूँ आपको. It's like come on boy, move that body.
थोड़ा जोर से।
नहीं गाऊंगी.
थोड़ा जोर से गाओ। जोर से गाओ।
So it's like.
क्यों सब शर्मा रही हैं? वैसे इनको बोलो घर में बहुत अच्छा गाएंगे।
Okay. Why can't you stand it? But please. Okay, ठीक है. Okay, one more time. तुझे भी गाना पड़ेगा मेरे साथ. ये
अरे मुझे आता ही नहीं, मैं गाऊंगी कैसे?
नहीं यार. So guys, she also sings with me some days, but she is doing नौटंकी अभी.
नौटंकी नो गाइस, अभी उन लोग को बताया। मेरे को भी, मैं तो अमेरिकन एक्सेंट सीखने आई हूँ यहाँ, मुझे कैसे पता होगा?
Okay. So it's like.
कोई नहीं रहने दो।
हो गया मेरा आज का कोटा पूरा.
आज का हो गया इनका गोटा। चलो, एंड एवरीवन इज डूइंग अवर वर्क। सब लोग तो अपना काम
Everyone is doing our work. नहीं.
नो देयर
Everyone
वर्क।
is doing their work.
हाँ, सब तो मजे
Improve
कर
your
रहे।
English somehow. You have. Oh, anyways, चलो.
ओके, बट ये लोग कैसे बोलते हैं? मैं इतनी अच्छी इंग्लिश बोलती हूँ। चलो कोई नहीं, सब अपना काम कर रहे हैं।
ये देखो इसने फ्लेक्स मारा अभी. She is flexing her YouTube channel.
हाँ, अब मुझे भी अमेरिकन एक्सेंट सिखा दो, बहुत अच्छे लोग आएंगे।
Anyways guys, so let me show you something. तो देखो हमारे यहाँ आपको हरियाली हरियाली मिलेगी, क्योंकि थोड़ा घुमाया तो आपने गुलाब देख लिया. उसके बाद वो जो आपको पीछे
हरियाली नहीं, पिंकाली
greenery.
पिंकाली दिखेगी।
Oh yeah, तो आपको थोड़ा सा पिंकाली दिखेगी, फिर हरियाली भी दिखेगी. Because you can see we have show here like bro, I can't you put the camera properly?
सी होल एरिया ग्रीन 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 ग्रीन। चलो आगे देखते हैं।
Someone is playing song.
समवन इज डूइंग फन, कोई मजे कर रहा है। चलो, हाँ, शी इज राइडिंग बाइक, तो
I'm not currently riding bike.
शी इज स्टैंडिंग बिहाइंड। अरे यार,
तू हटा तो पहले.
देख।
You know what? Many people in my house say that I have very short height.
हाँ है
So
तो
guys-
वैसे देखो मैं आपके बराबर आती हूँ, देखो मैं आपके बराबर आती हूँ, मैं भी चला लूँगी।
इतना मौक कर दो तुम लोग.
हाँ चल
So
चला।
it's like I was thinking to sit on bike from few days, but अभी मैं चला वाला नहीं हूँ.
कैसे यहाँ पे
दिख guys, देखो मेरा पैर ना पूरा, it's not like I can, पूरा तो नहीं आता है but
यहाँ
कामर का.
जब तक मैं बहुत
Okay.
ज़्यादा सीख लूँगी।
What do you guys think? Will we be able to ride it?
हाँ, गर्ल्स कैन राइड बाइक इजीली।
No, it's not like that. I'm just asking about myself.
हाँ हम लोग गाड़ी सीख लेंगे क्या? कैन वी राइड बाइक और नॉट?
Yes. But anyways, somehow we are going to get it and we are going to ride some days. But you know, people mock my height a lot, and I'm not insecure about it.
Okay. Let's
I'm just
ask.
saying it's
Let's
like-
ask to these people. Do they know about? Can we ride bike or not? But I know I can do easily because I have bigger height than you.
No.
See.
It's on. What are you doing?
I am boiling water on chula.
And why is that?
We are going to boil something. I don't know what, but I'm sitting here to just.
So you can see like we have a lot of stuff.
We are going to put rice or otherwise rice in this so that it can get boiled.
Seems like you're not doing it.
मैं ही कर रही हूँ.
Acha.
I am only making.
Then you are very expert in this, I think.
Expert. Movie expert.
Anyways, leave it.
It's very heat coming over here.
You're not doing it.
Yes, my mom is making this.
Yeah, so we have like sticks up and can you tell me why we are doing this right now? Why we're not making it on that? You just made a video.
Yes, I made it a video and that was about cylinder prices. You should go and watch that video also. In that what I was making, if you guys know then you will comment in this. If you don't know then you
Then-
should go and watch that video and see here. I am making this.
Anyway, so it's like many times like when we do this because sometimes we are interested in eating the stuff of this.
This food, the food
Yes.
of here chula tastes very delicious than talking about
And we are not flaunting it, like it
Yes.
actually happens.
village chula and their food is very delicious than that one. That one is not that much delicious, but here's chapati and sabzi all things are very delicious. You also have to make?
No.
No, then why you are coming to show me that I am very. What do you mean by this?
No, it's like we have like we like to make it right. So I thought why not to show you.
Yes, you will be showing this.
You're looking very nice sitting like this.
Now,
We can take a selfie right now.
so guys, this was just daytime. I just came after eating my lunch, and you can see all over here it's so much sunny. And see this tree. Because of this tree, in whole area it gives the shade, and because of this tree, and we have also here you can see this thing. We have sprinkled some water. Now let me tell you why we have sprinkled some water. Because this was when this wind came, and also in when it's sunny weather, so all here the dust comes, like it blew with dust, so that's why we have sprinkled water. And because of this the heat we get less. uh, and also second thing is that the dust are just settled down and they don't blow. So you can see we have sprinkle all over here. What this is guy doing? He's my brother. So what are you doing?
I am writing a multiplication like class 7th book I am solving.
So he just went in grade 7th.
Yes.
Now he's going in grade 7th. So what you are solving maths? What chapter?
Chapter fractions and decimal.
Fractions and decimals. Are you understanding or not?
Yes.
And
My sister homework writing.
we have just forced him to study, otherwise, he was not going to study. We just told him, sit, then he seated. And you know what? If this guy, if you will go and say, go and study, what he will do? First, he will go and say, I need book. Then he will go and say, I need food, I'm starving, I'm going washroom. All things happens at the same time. So we need to just force him to study. So what about your English?
My English very slow because I'm the time is going. I'm not practice English. Then my English.
He was saying that he will understand English very fast and now he is not doing practice. Why are you not doing practice?
Because I am playing with
Playing is most important.
playing it with my cousin.
Okay, so how much have you improved in your English?
Improved like second. You are look that my English and
Yes.
this.
So-
I'm not this in this
So-
is year not improvement.
Okay. How are you feeling when you are going in grade 7th?
I am so very uh, like very hard that's maths like.
This is the
I'm
maths.
reading solving the questions like hard chapters.
How many mistakes have you done here?
This is multiplication.
Okay, so study. I'm also going to study, guys. I'm in grade 9th, as you all know. So I'm also going to solve my maths questions. So, guys, I was just studying, and now see, I want to ask my sister what is she doing. So, what are you doing, sister?
Do you know DaVinci Resolve?
No, I don't know about DaVinci Resolve. What is it?
It is an editing software, and I was practicing in it.
Editing software. How does it work?
Well, for that you have to check out my videos, which I'm going to upload.
Upload of what?
Of editing.
Of editing. So you are going to tell people how to do editing in that.
Yes, and because many people in the comment sections asked too, so I was like, why not upload videos?
So yeah, the videos that we were making, that she was making, and that was of editing. And now she is doing. Are you doing practice or do you know about that?
No, I'm just checking out because I have to record it, so I'm downloading some screen recorder, and after that we'll do it.
Okay.
I'm going to explain it.
Okay, so what they need to do for learning it?
They have to wait and go check out my channel.
Okay, so go and check out her channel if you have to do editing. So, and how is that software? Is it good or bad in editing?
It's not bad, it comes in like top levels of softwares.
Okay, so you need to go and check out her channel if you need to do good editing. And currently it's daytime and I was just studying. I want to ask what she was doing, so go and check out that. So guys, as you all can see, I do practice like this with my sister and also with my brother. All we are just studying and my sister is also doing the editing thing. I am studying, my brother is doing, and everyone are doing their work. So you can see as like this I do conversation daily and like this I learn. You can see this tree, you can see this one my mom planted, and this is around 2-3 years. What are you guys doing? Are you also in grade ninth? And if you are in grade ninth, so what are you doing? Are you studying or doing fun? I am studying, and also this was all for today that I wanted to show you. And now I'll meet you in the next video. Bye, guys.